Okay, I'm waiting for the wind to shift. As you can see there, the indicator showing my direction a little bit to the right. So the thermal should be right there. Constant wind is this side away. It's a constant wind right now. I'm facing it. Oh, see, it's going to the right and up a bit. So the thermal should be there, out there. Much stronger. Should be there, right there. You see it? Right in the thermal. Big one. I was waiting for the wind to pick up, meaning it's past me. Trying to follow it now. It's there. Yep. All right. Now is a constant wind. You can see the streamer there. So it's right in front of me. I can launch right there and find it, or wait for it to pass me. Should be somewhere there. Forming. Right there. You see it? Right there, good there. Wow, hit the car for sure. Yep, I got it right in the center. Now it's shifting to the right. I'm gonna stay here as long as I am gaining height. Wow, in the car for sure. As you can see, the streamer is showing directly where I am. I'm not concentrating on thermaling, just to show you how I find thermals easily. Now, you see, the streamer is dead, so it means it's right in front of me. It's pulling the air towards the thermal and counterbalancing the constant air, constant wind direction. As you can see, it's steady. Not even looking out the thermal, just floating there. And again there. Now it's shifted, as you can see, a bit there, somewhere. It's going back, as you can see the streamer. A bit to the back. Now it's picking up. Have gone past me. I don't know where, maybe here. Maybe here. It's in back of me, yeah. As you can see, yeah. right here somewhere. Yeah. Gonna bring it down now, just to go ahead and find something else. Now you see it whipping back and up the streamer, so it's sure in back of me, a thermal. Now it's almost calm dead. It's probably in front of me, on top of me. Yep. You can see it from the launch straight away that you're in the thermal. On top of me and forming under the cloud. Wow. Right there. So if I shifted, I could find something else here also, right there. Yeah. I'm watching the streamer that's also shifted, probably multiple thermals. I went for the stronger one, as you can see. Piece of cake. Letting it get carried away by the thermal. Back there. I make a sharp turn when I'm facing the wind, and then okay, come in front now. Sink there, turbo sink, of course. No, it's there somewhere. Right there, where I was heading. Yep. You can see it. Super thermal. Look at the tail heading up. You want to take advantage of the headwind, make a sharp turn, gain speed and height, maintain your altitude as much as possible while trying to face the wind again. I'm coming down. All right, nice one. All right. So now it's pointing to the right. Have the wind facing me. It's pointing to the right. I know it's somewhere right there in front of the indicator and to the right. If I launch right there, I'm gonna find it for sure. Right on it. That's it? Yeah, baby. I know you were there. Whoa, what a core. What a core. That's a core there for sure. I can see it rocking me. What are the clouds now? Into the thermal. Somewhere here. Yeah, one last thermal before noon. The streamer doesn't lie. It indicates where the thermal is down low. Just to have to do the math right. Close it now. On there again. Whoa. Core. Hit the core right there. You can see it going like crazy. There, more back. So, time to say goodbye, guys. See you again later.